Have you ever wondered about the unseen forces that safeguard your online experiences? In this fast-paced digital age, the realm of cybersecurity has become more important than ever. Today, we re-diving into the core of this vast field by exploring what network security really means and why it's so vital in our interconnected world. So get ready to uncover the secrets behind the robust shields that protect your every click and ensure your data remains safe in the digital frontier. You are watching this channel. You won't forget to subscribe to our channel to never miss an update on the latest tech news and gadgets. Before we dive into the details, let me ask you a question. What comes to mind when you hear the term network security? Perhaps you think of complex codes, cybersecurity experts, or maybe firewalls. You're on the right track, but there's more to it. Network security is a multifaceted discipline dedicated to safeguarding computer networks and their data from unauthorized access, cyber attacks, and various threats. It's like having a digital bodyguard that works tirelessly in the background to keep your online experience safe. But how does it actually work, and why should you care? Let's break it down. At its core, network security involves a combination of hardware and software tools working in harmony to create a secure digital environment. Think of it as a fortress with multiple layers of defense. The primary objective is to protect sensitive information from falling into the wrong hands. In today's world, where data breaches can bring even the mightiest corporations to their knees, this is no small feat. Network security stands as the first line of defense against those who would do harm, ensuring that your data remains safe and your online experience remains seamless. Now let us take a closer look at the key components that make up this intricate web of protection. First up, firewalls. Picture a vigilant gatekeeper standing guard at the entrance to your network. Firewalls are designed to monitor and control incoming and outgoing network traffic based on predefined rules. They're the gatekeepers that determine what's allowed in and what's kept out, forming a crucial barrier against external threats. Next, encryption. Have you ever sent a message via an unsecure channel? You might have noticed the padlock icon in your browser indicating a secure connection. That's the power of encryption at work. It scrambles your data into an unreadable format, ensuring that even if it falls into the wrong hands, its contents remain hidden. This is especially important when dealing with sensitive information such as passwords or credit card numbers. Access controls. Imagine a digital key granting entry only to authorized individuals. Access controls manage who has the permissions to access specific parts of a network or data within it. This could be as simple as a username and password or more advanced biometric authentication. The goal is to ensure that only the right people are accessing the right information at the right time. Antivirus and anti-malware software. These are the digital bodyguards patrolling your system, constantly on the lookout for malicious software such as viruses and malware. They scan files, monitor suspicious activities, and take swift action to neutralize threats, keeping your data secure. And finally, monitoring and auditing systems. Just as a security camera captures every move, monitoring and auditing systems keep a watchful eye on network activities. They log events, detect anomalies, and generate alerts, providing an audit trail and helping security teams respond to incidents quickly. All these components work together to form a robust network security infrastructure, much like the different parts of a car's braking system, each playing a crucial role in bringing it all to a stop. Now, you might be wondering why network security is not just a technical necessity, but a fundamental aspect of our digital lives. In today's world, protecting sensitive information is no longer an option. It's a necessity. Whether you're a tech-savvy individual, a business executive, or anything in between, your data has become a valuable asset. From your personal information to financial records and even intellectual property, the digital realm holds a treasure trove of valuable information. But with this comes a significant risk. Data breaches can occur due to various reasons, from human error to cyber attacks, and they can have far-reaching consequences. Let's consider a scenario. Imagine a company that experiences a data breach exposing customer information. The financial repercussions can be substantial, including costs associated with investigating the breach, notifying affected customers, implementing corrective measures, and potential legal fees. Moreover, the damage to the company's reputation can be severe, leading to loss of customer trust and potentially impacting their bottom line. It's not just businesses that are at risk. As individuals, we also have a lot to safeguard. Think about the personal information floating around online: your name, address, social security number, banking details, and even browsing history. When this information falls into the wrong hands, it can lead to identity theft, financial fraud, and a host of other problems. But the stakes are even higher in certain sectors. Healthcare organizations deal with highly sensitive patient information, and a breach here can compromise medical records, insurance details, and even treatment plans. The consequences could range from reputational damage to legal penalties, and most importantly, harm to patients. In such critical sectors, network security is not just a measure, it's a matter of life and death. It ensures the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of data, protecting it from unauthorized access, modification, or destruction, while also ensuring that systems and data are available when needed. Network security isn't just about erecting high-tech walls and hoping for the best. It's a continuous process of identifying vulnerabilities, assessing risks, and implementing proactive measures. Regular security assessments, penetration testing, and vulnerability scanning are essential to stay ahead of potential threats. By regularly evaluating the network's defenses, organizations can identify weaknesses before attackers do, patching vulnerabilities and strengthening security protocols as needed. But it's not just about technology. Human elements play a crucial role in network security. Educating users about potential threats, promoting safe online practices, and creating a culture of security awareness is vital. Phishing attacks, social engineering, and malware often target unsuspecting users. Therefore, empowering individuals to recognize and avoid such threats is an integral part of a robust network security strategy. Now that we understand the importance of network security, let's explore the different types of protection employed to keep our data safe. Network security encompasses a wide range of measures, each playing a crucial role in creating a comprehensive shield against cyber threats. We can categorize these measures into 4 primary types: physical security, technical controls, administrative policies, and cloud security solutions. Physical security focuses on protecting the physical assets that support the network. This includes servers, routers, cables, and other hardware. Measures like secure data centers, access control systems, and surveillance cameras are employed to prevent unauthorized physical access to these critical components. Technical controls, on the other hand, involve the use of technology to secure the network. Firewalls, intrusion detection systems, antivirus software, and encryption are some examples. These technical safeguards are designed to detect and block cyber threats, control network traffic, and protect data from unauthorized access or manipulation. Administrative policies, often overlooked, are equally important. This category includes procedures, protocols, and best practices that govern the use of the network. Strong password policies, data backup and recovery plans, incident response plans, and employee training programs all fall under this type. Enforcing these policies ensures that users adhere to security best practices, minimizing the risk of human error. Finally, cloud security solutions are becoming increasingly prevalent as more businesses migrate to the cloud. These include security services offered by cloud providers, as well as tools and technologies that enhance the security of cloud-based networks. From data encryption in transit to access control and monitoring, cloud security helps safeguard data and applications in a shared responsibility model. The field of network security is vast and ever-evolving, offering a plethora of career opportunities for those interested in this domain. With the increasing demand for cybersecurity professionals, a career in network security promises not only job satisfaction, but also excellent career prospects. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, someone who enjoys problem-solving, or a professional looking to transition into the tech industry, exploring a career in network security could be a rewarding path. As we wrap up our exploration of network security, remember that in the vast digital landscape, safeguarding your data is not a destination, but a continuous journey. From understanding the fundamentals to implementing robust protection measures, every step counts. As technology advances, so will the tactics of cyber threats. Therefore, staying informed, adaptable, and proactive is key to ensuring that your data remains secure in the face of evolving challenges. So what are your thoughts on network security? How do you keep your own data safe in today's digital world? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to securestartau for more insightful tech videos. Stay curious, stay secure, and keep exploring the fascinating world of technology.